This brief communication refers to the plan of activities for the working group on the future of nuclear engineering education. Although the name given to the group seems to limit its range of actions, it seems to us that it would be appropriate to broaden this horizon in several directions. On one hand, not all nuclear technology fits into nuclear engineering. This is a way of thinking which redirects several educational pipelines to other areas of the nuclear sector, increasing the capacity and potential to attract students. It is also important to recognize that training in nuclear technology does not occur only in the institutional bachelor, master, doctoral change. The basic concept of knowledge management is that of continuous training, and in this sense, the broad area of training should not be left out of the discussion. Finally, in previous documents and meetings of the Global Forum, it has been identified that one of our actions would be to discuss mechanisms to increase the attractiveness of educational programs in the field of nuclear technology for advanced applicants and students who may otherwise go to other high-tech industries. And in general, these mechanisms involve different outreach strategies. In short, this working group could deal not only with the future of nuclear engineering education, but in a broader sense with the future of education, training and outreach in nuclear science and technology. In relation to the tasks of this working group, several areas of intersection and therefore of collaboration can be imagined. In this regard, it is important to have a diverse and non-redundant representation that allows for the efficient cooperation between the different actors of this initiative. It would be not a good practice to attack all problems or projects that arise or are imagined at the working group. That is why we would like to stress that, at least in this first inaugural instance, only some few and simple initiatives with a great potential for success should be implemented. Once selected, these projects should be conducted by responsible subgroups with committed leaders. Furthermore, we must not reinvent the wheel, but to take advantage of those wheels that are already rolling in other institutions, countries and regions, and that could be socialized and internationalized through the Global Forum. Thus, we propose as a first step to study the availability of resources in one institution that may constitute vacancy areas in others. Let us mention only two possible initiatives. The pandemic has led to a reevaluation of the use of information and communication technologies in higher education. Furthermore, there is a marked increase in the implementation of computer technologies, virtual reality, and augmented reality. The Global Forum could act as a promoter and facilitator of the use and development of these programs and facilities by promoting the exchange or sharing of online courses that are taught in one institution and that do not exist in another, or even sponsor the development of innovative online courses in areas of vacancy. Another possible initiative may be related to open science, a topic that was mentioned in the preparatory document. Thus, we can think about open codes and databases for teaching and training in nuclear technology, changing a context in which most codes are licensed individually or with severe restrictions on their use. Looking up to the immediate future, we have prepared a first draft of a working plan. This might serve as a starting point of discussion within the group. Finally, we must start working with a view to a robust and useful session dedicated to the future of nuclear education, training and outreach at the Global Forum Workshop, scheduled to take place in Japan in May next year. And this is all we wanted to tell you. Thank you for your attention.